Open the product protective case. Main body. Battery. Tripod stand. Control point base. Multifunctional extension bracket. Panoramic camera. RTK module. Charging cable. Data transfer cable. Lixel Studio U-key. Complete accessories. Insert the battery into the main body. Fasten the buckle. Insert tripod stand or control point base. Mount the extension bracket. Attach the RTK module. Organize the RTK data cable. Insert it into the connection port on the main body. Make sure you align the red dots. Install the panoramic camera. Ensure the red button faces the operator. Optional mobile phone bracket for one-handed operation. Installation completed. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power on. Blue light flashes, turns to a solid green light, indicating the device is ready. Connect the device. Click the red record button to start. Choose the scene and initiate the scan. Note: ensure the device is absolutely stationary in initiating process. After the point cloud data appears, you can pick up the scanner and start scanning. After the completion of data collecting, click the red button to finish and save the data. The LiDAR stops rotating. Green light flashes quickly, then turns to a solid light, indicating the scanning has completed. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power off.